Woot woot. I am so excited. My favorite video of the year by far. Every year. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is April. I go by Ruby Rouge here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you do in fact like my content, or you would like to see some more to see if you would like my content. Let me know if you did a lucky box. I like to check out what bags you all got, and so let me know in the comments if you got a bag, what was in it, or if you just want me to watch your video. And today's video, obviously I've already spilled the beans, is the Beautylish Lucky Bags unboxing video. Seriously, my favorite video of the year. I won't keep you too long with the details of the box. Most of you already know, or someone's already told you in another video, but it's a mystery box based on the premise of Japanese lucky bags. It's a traditional way for companies to get rid of excess inventory and make sure new fresh products are coming in for the new year. They are sold out for 2022, but if you would like to acquire a bag for next year, there's normally already an email sign up on the Beautylish website. I did get an XL bag this year. I was surprised they still had them by the time I came on. I was a little later than usual, so maybe they're just doing more XL bags than they used to. They used to be like impossible to get your hands on, but I think I had one last year too. But anyways, boom, ba boom, let's open this baby up. I haven't even cut the seal. Everything seems to be wrapped in this. Okay, I saw this. This is the Units 301, honestly. I mean, I like makeup brushes. I have a ton of them. I'm not super excited about this. I don't know how good they are. I might try one or two. Oh, I mean, they feel nice. So I will read about these. But I got a whole set. And they're gorgeous. I mean, they're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But, okay, I don't know a ton about these brushes, but this set would be $123, which is a pretty, I mean, that's a pretty, they seem well made. They have a nice weight to them. So I don't know. We'll see how I feel about that. The next product that I have is this Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel from Good Molecules, and actually this sounds like something I want to use. Dispense a small amount in your palms, massage on face, rinse well. So it's just a cleanser, but I am a skincare, I really love skincare. I'm going to look up and see the price of that one. Okay, so I looked up the price. This is a $12 item. Holifrog Situational Skincare Amino Cushion Cream. Now, I do love skincare, but there are some ingredients that bother me, and I won't be able to, it'll take me forever to read. This might actually work for me. I don't see anything right off, so that would be great. As long as this works for me, I'm super excited about it. I love, like I said, I love skincare. So the Holifrog, I don't know. The Amino Cushion Cream is $60 for this bottle. It's a multivitamin for your face. This moisturizer is concentrated high performance formula of peptides, ceramides, vitamins, antioxidants, and a blend of 11 amino acids. So it sounds pretty cool. Hopefully it works for me. Seeing in here, I have Verb Ghost Oil. This is a smoothing moringa blend weightless hair oil. Okay, so I looked up, this item is $18. It is a hair oil, which I'm not a big hair oil fan. I have really fine hair, so it tends to weigh my hair down. However, I have not tried this particular one, and every hair product that I've received from Beautylish, I've really enjoyed. So, there's a first time for everything. The next product that I have is this let's see, oh gosh, Danessa. I'm going to have to look this one up because I can't. This is in the shade Bay, Twin Flames Pigment, Multi-Chrome Pigment. Should be interesting. Oh, very, very pretty. So this is going to be the Danessa Myrix Beauty Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment. It's in the shade Bay. These retail for $26. It's a one-of-a-kind, long-lasting multi-chrome pigment that shifts between two complementary shades. Like a white, a silver, and a green, I think. It's funny on camera, it is not looking very green, but I'll do another swatch with these from a different angle. Wayne Goss, okay. I got Wayne Goss and Cashew. I don't think I have this one already. So I got a few of his lipsticks. I did end up getting the Wayne Goss box. And I got a few of his lipsticks and I like them. Oh, I don't think I have this color. The one thing, I think they smell very lipsticky, which is weird. But I don't think I got this color, and I did like the lipsticks a lot. Very, very warm, but I can do a very warm. Let's see. These retail for $28. They are the classic cream lipstick. Wayne says, what I love about these lipstick is the pigmentation, because the shades aren't opaque. You can move up or down a shade that you might not have been able to use before. Your own lip still shines through. I would say that's pretty. I really did like the way they wear. I thought they looked really nice on the lip, and maybe it is due to that. I don't know. So let's move on. This is the, I might have this, so I'm not going to swatch this one. This is the Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil in medium nude, and even if I don't have it, like, I really don't need another lip pencil. So what I might do is add this to a giveaway box, but I do really like these. These were really nice. The lip pencils retail for $14. This I also have, I think. Petit Four in Framboise. Let me go look. I want to make sure. So I went and grabbed mine. This one's mine. It has the gash in it. And I'll just swatch it out for you, because I do like to swatch things. But I really do love the Viseart products. This one retails for $25. I am a little disappointed, obviously, because I already have it. And I'm thinking this might be the last thing, and I have no idea what this is. No idea. This packaging doesn't even look familiar to me. Hindash. Not a brand I'm familiar with. However, that does not necessarily mean it will be good or bad. I don't know what this is. It's a pressed pigment palette, so that usually means it's pretty pigmented. I don't typically like shades that go into each other, like that aren't separated. That usually gets on my nerves. Let's read about the Hindash pressed pigment palette. The Hindash Beauty Palette is reimagined customized makeup with Hindash's Beautopsy palette. Inspired by globally renowned makeup artist's painting background, the six-pan gradient color story is inspired by traditional painter's palette, deconstructed and reassembled as a sleek, multi-purpose product. The vegan powder formula blends together 12 fundamental colors that can be mixed and matched to flatter and enhance all skin tones. Use the shades as eyeshadow, eyeliner, contour, highlighter, blush. Okay, so there's lots of different... trying to be innovative, but I don't know. Sometimes innovative with makeup is... I don't know. We'll see. I have no idea what I'm going to think about this. This actually retailed, though, for $70. And yeah, I think that was everything. So overall, not my favorite box. I have to be super, super honest. Not my favorite box. I did this video last year. It was a lot of fun. I didn't do it again this year. I thought I would wait maybe till next year. But it was like a tally of all the Beautylish boxes I'd ever gotten and all the products and where are they now? Did I end up using them? Where was the value? And I think that that's the real deal for this box. You know, what is the value to you? Do you end up using the products? Is there value? You know, there's kind of value in me doing a giveaway and putting something in a giveaway. Like maybe I didn't necessarily want that product, but I am planning on doing a giveaway, and that's really cool for you guys. So I don't necessarily count that out as a dud. You know, so I don't know. I still feel pretty good about the box. Yeah, I got something cool to try. All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed your box. If you didn't get a box, I hope that you enjoyed watching other people open their box and maybe being like, glad I didn't get a box. Hope you feel good about your decision. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!